he was coming in because he was right over that hill.
I just.
What is going on, guys? It's April 16th, 2023. About to go on my Sunday morning hunt. It's got a light little drizzle. I'm running a little behind, so I'm going to make this quick and short. We're going to head up on top of the hill with me and my cousin. We're going to go up there and see if we can get a double on a bird. We know where these birds are roosting now, so we're going to see if we can get a setup on them. So probably won't have much footage until we get there, so see y'all in a little bit. What do you think about it, Alex? We'll see how it goes. We've got two birds roosted right up here within probably, 150 yards, probably. I heard them right at first light at my hoedown. They're hammering right here, so we're going to see what happens.
Got it on video too.
Well, that bat went south, didn't it?
He come up quick.
I knew he was coming in because he was right over that hill.
I just seen him pop over this hill here.
I never seen him over in there.
His red was redder than this little clipper
I know,
you got.
I know.
God.
Free-handed. Dude's putting, looking around. I didn't have my mouth call in my mouth.
Dude, you threaded that needle pretty good. Yeah, let's get a range on that bad boy.
I mean, he's 620. This is the earliest I've ever killed a bird. I mean, he's probably 35. TSS 9-shot. Took him down, baby. I'm tagged out. This is the quickest I've ever been tagged out. Ooh-wee. April 16th.
I'm getting too many sticks.
I mean, he's probably at 35, 40 yards.
I'll give you an easy one to tell.
Well, we can keep hunting.
Oh, yeah.
We still have all morning, buddy. I'm gonna go get him.
Yeah, I've never seen turkeys come out this early.
This is probably the earliest I've ever killed. We're gonna be quick and quiet about this. We've got two other birds hammering right here, and Alex has still got a tag. So, hold on. That's the quick and earliest bird I've ever killed. He about spotted us, but luckily I could get around and weave one run through those trees with that TSS 9-shot and he didn't want none. Folded him 40 yards. But we're gonna get back after it. Y'all stay tuned. Well guys, made it back. We had a pretty good hunt this morning. This bird slipped in on us pretty quiet. Birds were pretty tight-lipped whenever they hit the ground. This bird I think might have gobbled 1 or 2 times after he hit the ground. And which we first set up on this bird, heard him gobbling pretty well in the tree, responding to calls. And we were sitting there and I heard him gobble 1 more time, and after I called 2 or 3 more times just trying to get him to locate, and he wouldn't locate, and I finally just shut up. And Alec spotted him, and the way he was sitting, he was unable to swing his gun around because he's right-handed. And he told me to shoot him. And the bird spooked a little bit because he seen us moving around. And luckily, I called a couple of times, got his interest back, and he spun around, stuck his head out, and that's all it needed, about a 40-yard shot. Beautiful, beautiful bird. He's got some weird looking colors on his tail fans. But that's about it for me. Tagged out 2023 Kentucky opening weekend. Couldn't ask for a better weekend. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. And, keep on watching. We're gonna keep putting out more videos as much as possible. Thank y'all.